Hi everyone, and welcome to Broadland First Elementary School's open house.
Your child's home away from home. Come on in and check it out.
Can I get an after-school form, please?
Sure, Mr. Casey, there you go.
Hey, thank you, Mrs. Barker.
Anything else I can do for you?
That'll do it.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
We are so excited to have our brand new entrance. It may look a little different, but make sure you stop by that window and say hello, or we can service you every day with a smile.
Our new cafeteria, for example, has new lights, new ceilings, new floors, new furniture. But the same old lunchtime excitement. Welcome to our new media center, freshly redone and ready for you to come on in and start reading.
So whether you're reading your favorite book, researching a new topic, or reading just for fun, the library is the place to be. Welcome to one of our brand new pre-K classrooms.
Pay close attention because your child's teacher is going to talk to you all about this year's academic adventures and how your child can be a great patriot.
And if they do, they will earn Patriot Bucks to spend at our school store and throughout the school on fun activities and raffles. So if your child is ready to act responsibly, treat others with respect, and stay safe, then they're ready to be a BPES Patriot.
We know that even a third grader can navigate Perth parking, but there's a lot more kids here now.
So whether you're coming or going, remember to work together, get along, stay safe, and follow those signs.
Mrs. Barker and I are so proud to be here with you, sitting on steps in front of a school that wasn't here only a year ago.
So whether your child's 10, 6, or 4, there's so much more for you to explore. We are so glad that you are part of the BPES family.